How do different chunking methods impact the retriever's performance, and how do you determine the best chunk size or method for a given RAG use case? Answer: chunking methods in retrieval augmented generation RAG significantly impact the retriever's performance, accuracy, and latency. Smaller chunks provide finer granularity, allowing the retriever to capture highly specific information, but increase retrieval time and require more processing power. Larger chunks can offer context-rich passages, reducing retrieval costs and latency, but may dilute specificity, making it harder to retrieve targeted answers. To determine the best chunk size or method, consider the complexity and type of content. Short, self-contained chunks work well for fact-based queries, while longer chunks suit context-rich narratives or topics that need more coherence. Testing different chunk sizes for key metrics such as retrieval accuracy, response latency, and processing cost helps optimize the method. Additionally, tools like LangChain and LlamaIndex offer adaptive chunking techniques that can refine chunk size based on content type and retrieval needs, ensuring a balance between accuracy and efficiency.